With ROG Phone II, we're launching a brand new game controller, the ROG Kunai Gamepad. It consists out of 3 parts: the Kunai controllers, the Kunai holder, and the Kunai Bumper. The bumper makes it easy to connect the Kunai controllers to your phone directly with a USB connection. So you just slide it in like this. And the benefit with using a USB connection is that it will connect every time with 0 dropouts and low latency. The bumper is also compatible with the Aeroactive Cooler 2 and also the TwinView Dock 2 accessories. Now, to map the buttons on the controller to your favorite game, all you have to do is first go into the key mapping feature, press the button that you want to assign, which will then make a hotkey appear on the screen. Just drag this hotkey to wherever you want it to trigger and redo this same process with all the buttons. Now, it's really that simple to assign your controller to the game. Now, I also want to show you how easily it is to remove the bumper. Now, first you have to look for this small ROG logo, and this is where you're going to want to make a bend. And then you slide the phone out, so just like that. Now, to transform back to the gamepad mode, you just bring in the holder like this, slide in the controllers, and you can connect to your phone using a Bluetooth or USB-C connection. So I mean, just how awesome isn't this controller? The new Kunai. I mean, you want to buy this, right? Right?